Hello.
Hello. Hi, Megha. Good evening.
Hi, Subhash. Good evening. How are you doing?
I am doing great. What about you? Tell me, how are you
That's
doing?
wonderful. I'm doing fine as well. I remember I had spoken to you
Yeah, yeah.
almost 1.5 months ago, okay, in June. I remember I had spoken to you in June, and I had spoken to you when I had just started off on Clapping Go. So, yes, I remember you very clearly.
Oh, you were new at that time.
Yeah, I had just completed like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks maybe. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes.
So you're
So
still in
how?
Mysore,
No, no, no. I have come back to Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay.
Yes, yes. And what about you? Where are you situated right now?
I'm here only. I'm in Guwahati. As you told you earlier, you have got your colleague here in Guwahati. You told me.
Yeah, yeah. It's their native actually.
Your relative.
Not, no, no. It's their native. Yeah, one of my. It's their native.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So you remember everything. Yeah, I thought you might have forgotten me.
No, no, no. I remember even our topics also that.
Okay.
So
That's
I
great.
remember.
That's
Yeah.
great. Yeah, that's nice. It's so good to see you, okay, after a long time. Yeah. And yes, what are your plans for the rest of the day? Do you have anything lined up? Are you going to meet anyone, your friends or your relatives maybe?
No, no. Nowadays we hardly get to see relatives or any friend.
Mm-hmm.
Almost we remain at home only.
Yeah.
If there is anything that necessary to do, then only we go out and then come back and remain at home. Whatever communication we do only over phone.
Okay, okay. So, Subhash, I would like to ask you a question. Do you like reading? Reading books, novels, or magazines, anything?
Yeah, I like reading, but nowadays I hardly read actually.
And when you were a child, do you remember any comic book that you used to read? That's something that you still remember, maybe any comic book or any magazines
Yeah,
that
at
you
that
used to
time, during our time, it was we used to read in Bengali medium.
read. Mm-hmm.
In Bengali, it was mm, it, it called Betal.
Betal.
Now,
Mhm.
but in English, it is Phantom. You might
Phantom.
have
Yes,
heard about.
yes, yes. Yeah, Phantom.
And another comic book was Mandrake.
Mandrake. Phantom.
Mandrake
Okay.
and
Yeah.
Lothar or something. I forgot.
Okay.
So those two comic books are very popular at the time during our time. So yeah.
Mhm. That's nice. So you still remember some of it. You like comics? You like reading comics or graphic novels or like those kind of things?
Yeah, I used to. I can say only that I used to, but
Mhm.
nowadays I don't.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, Subhash, if you had the chance to, interview any celebrity for a very famous magazine, okay, which celebrity would it be?
Celebrity.
Hmm.
I'm not
It can
sure
be
about it.
anyone,
It may be anybody from.
anyone, anyone. It can be an actor, singer, sports person, musician, anybody, whoever is your favorite.
Okay, I would love to. If you say, I would love to interview, say, Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan, okay, the legend, the living legend himself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, great. And what questions uh, would you ask him?
There would be so many questions like how is his life, how he enjoys
Mhm,
the life being a celebrity,
mhm.
and what was the secret? What is the secret of becoming such a towering figure?
Yeah, mega star.
And yeah, and what the food, his food habits,
Mhm,
how he uh, keep his health
mhm,
in a good uh, state
mhm.
like this.
Okay, that's nice. So, yeah, if you were to recommend two movies of Amitabh Bachchan to me, okay, so I want to watch the movie tomorrow. Can you recommend any two good movies that I can watch?
Okay, I'll give you. Instead of 2, 3, first one is
Okay,
Divar.
sure. Okay, Diwar.
First one is Divar, second Sole,
Mm-hmm.
and third one is Janjir.
Zanjeer. Okay. Sholay I have watched. Zanjeer and Diwar I will definitely give it a watch. Okay. I
Even if you don't
normally.
watch, even if you don't watch Janjir, you just
Mhm.
once watch this Divar. You will
Diwar.
like it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And at your home, does anybody have this habit of reading all these glossy magazines?
Nobody, nobody.
Nobody, no? These days, hardly anybody buys magazines. Everything is available online. Yeah.
It is what, yeah. I used to buy some magazines like Illustrated Weekly. Then one was there, I forgot, Frontline or something. There was one magazine.
Okay.
But nowadays, I also don't buy. So
Okay.
anything that I have to get information, I can get it from
Mhm.
internet.
Internet, absolutely.
Mm.
So any kind of information, it's just a click away, right? We don't even have to go to the shops, buy the magazine, just subscribe. That's all. It's there.
Yes, yes.
And how comfortable are you in front of a camera? I mean, when someone is trying to photograph you, so how comfortable do you feel? Are you nervous? Do you feel shy or you're confident?
No, no, I don't feel shy. I like it. I just, I
Okay.
like, I want to have my photograph clicked. Is it okay, the sentence?
Yeah, yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. You like getting a
Okay.
photograph clicked.
So
It's
there is a question that if I have to, if my photograph is
if you had
published
to
in a
get,
magazine,
yeah, correct. If you
in
had to get your
a
picture on a magazine
cover,
cover,
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
yeah. So
So it will be Time magazine, I think.
the
Yeah,
Time
it's very,
magazine.
yes, yes.
Okay. And what would the title be? Like, if there is a person's photo, like normally it comes with a tagline, yeah. So,
Mhm.
what would it be? What would you
I
be?
don't know what it would be,
Mhm.
but it should be only for good reason, not for any wrong reason.
Obviously, you're on the Time magazine, so it'll obviously be for a good
No,
reason.
sometimes I think some terrorist or etc. Their photo also comes in the
Okay.
magazine. Is it
Okay. Okay. Time magazine, I'm not
infamous?
sure. Infamous for all the wrong reasons, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, no, don't worry. Let's hope that you're there for a very good reason. So, what would the reason be? What do you want to be famous for? You said a good reason, right? So, any particular skill or any particular reason you have in your mind?
Okay. Here, if I say, I would love to be shown as a person like a social worker.
Social
So
work.
I have done so many. If I could do and and like social work, so
Mhm.
my magazine should be my photo should be appeared on those for those reasons.
Okay, that's nice. So, have you been involved in social work at any point?
No, that's why I wanted to tell you before answering this question that I should. It might sound like hypocritic. I am not doing anything, but I want to be like that.
Okay, that's okay. They say, right, better late than never. So I think you can start now and that and get on any magazine or a newspaper. That would be great. Okay. And do you like dressing up? Do you like to be in your casual, comfortable clothes, or do you mind, or do you like getting all decked up before any event?
I generally like casual dress. I feel comfortable with casual dress.
Okay, okay. And if you were to appear on the cover of the Time magazine, would you want the picture to be a candid picture, like as if you're helping someone in the middle of doing some charity work, or would you want a full blown photo shoot?
Photo shoot. I will go for photo shoot.
Okay. So you want your debut on a magazine to be as glamorous as possible, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's nice. Great. I love your honesty. Yeah. And do you have any favorite designers? Like we have so many, right? Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra. Do you have any favorite designer?
I don't follow them actually, but I have heard so many, and I have read about what is Monish Malhotra, no?
Manish Malhotra, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I liked him. I used to read about him. Um, he designed so many attire for film stars, particularly
Yes.
the heroines.
Mm-hmm.
So I know about him only. So it's
Okay. Yeah, he's the most, I think he's one of the most well-known fashion designers, right? In India, if anyone says everybody knows Manish Malhotra, everybody knows Sabyasachi. So they're always in the limelight, I feel. Yeah.
yeah.
And okay, so you are on the Time magazine, okay? So somebody approaches you. First of all, they're going to call you, right? Like, "Hi, Subhash, we have selected you to be on the cover of our magazine." So what would your instant reaction be? Like, would you believe them? Would you be ecstatic? What would your first reaction be?
Yeah, it will be a surprise for me because I never expected that I would got a call from the Time magazine.
Hmm.
I never thought that I have done so much that they are going to publish a story about me. So
Okay.
because it's a very
Hmm.
what to say, a very high quality magazine, I think.
Okay, yeah, that's true. That's true. It's a very elite magazine, right?
Elite, yeah, yeah. This is the right
Yeah.
word, yeah. Elite
Yeah.
magazine.
Yes.
So it is you must have done something so big that
Mm-hmm.
only you can expect to have your story be published there.
Absolutely. That's 100% right. So you must have done something, you ought to do something really huge, right? Really big in order to,
Yes,
be
yeah.
on top, on the cover of these magazines. Yeah, that's correct. And would you immediately inform your family about it, or would you want it to be a surprise for them?
No, no, I can't wait for them to know from others. I will immediately give them the news. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Correct. Now, like if it's something exciting, why would we want to keep it a secret? It's always good to share with family. Yeah.
Yes, yes, and there is a chance that they would get the news from others. There is a chance.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's true.
So
Mm-hmm.
in one hand, you are waiting that they should get the news
Mm-hmm.
from the news channel or from the magazine, but
Yeah.
somehow it may get leaked and they get to know from others. That would be very good for us.
Okay. Okay. And see, most of these journalists, right, they have this habit of asking personal questions. Um, like they literally like to dig into people's past or present or any activity. Would you be comfortable answering personal questions, or would you be really strict with them? Like, no, you can't ask me this.
I think it is not good to ask personal question. Even
Hmm.
in our clapping go videos also, I have seen some of the learners, they ask the tutors very personal question. I don't think it is nice.
Okay, yes, that's true. If you had the chance to select any person to be with you on the cover, okay, on the cover of the Time magazine, you have the choice, and they tell you, okay, you can tag along with any other person, from your family or from among your friends. Would you agree to that? And who would you want to call?
There would be none other than my wife, I think.
Okay, okay, that's lovely. That's great. And is she the one? If anything happens, do you inform her first? Like, if you get a call from the Time magazine, would she be the first person you would inform?
Yes, yes. Because
Okay.
now my parents are no more. So
Mm-hmm.
now he is the very closest person I have. So yes.
Okay. That's so sweet. Yeah. And that's nice. And if you become really famous, okay, after this interview, you become a very renowned personality in your city or in your state, and people start following you everywhere with their cameras, the paparazzi. So, would
Mhm.
you be comfortable? Would you enjoy being in the limelight?
No, no, no. I never enjoy being in the limelight.
Mm-hmm.
In my simple life also here, say, if something happens at our office also, I don't like to be in the limelight. I always
Okay.
like a backbencher. I'll do my bit. I'll do my
Okay.
bit, whatever I
Mhm.
can do.
Okay.
Okay, but I don't want it to be published, or I don't want, yeah, you have done so many good things like that. I don't want to hear all these things and to be in the limelight.
Okay.
Eh, Sometimes it happens in our office also.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's 15 August is coming up. So
Okay.
on these occasions, they um, facilitate some of the employees
Mm-hmm.
who have done good job. So
Okay.
in
They,
many occasions, they
mm-hmm.
have selected me also,
Mm-hmm.
but I always try to avoid these
Okay.
functions.
Why? Why, Subhash? It's your moment to shine. You have to go. Okay. Don't miss out on this. So you feel really shy when someone praises you or gives you a compliment, is it?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Even my mom also, she feels really shy, okay, if someone compliments her. Even if I tell her something to compliment her, she's like, Arey, it's okay. It's my job, it's fine. You don't have to say that. She brushes me off like that. So yes, that's there. Okay, so great. It was fun, talking to you after such a long time. Can I give
Yes,
you my
yes.
feedback now? Just a couple of things, not more.
I think I have made so many mistakes today, and my
Not at
structure
all,
was
not
also
at
not
all.
good.
No, 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 no. You didn't make so many mistakes, just two or three, okay? Can I give you the feedback
Yeah,
now?
yeah, sure, 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 sure.
Okay, okay. You said on Independence Day, they facilitate some of the employees, right, who've done good work. I think the word you're looking for is
Felicitation, felicitation.
uh, felicitation. Yeah. So
Mhm.
that is one thing. And I think when we were talking about Amitabh Bachchan, uh, you said he keep his health, and you continued the sentence. It's actually he keeps his health. That subject verb agreement is there, na? If it's he, she, then the second one will be,
Yeah, yeah,
plural, yeah, like that.
yeah.
So
Plural
yeah.
if it is
Hmm.
agreement with verbs, subject
Yeah,
agreement.
subject verb agreement, yeah.
Yeah,
So if
yeah.
it's he, she, then it will become keeps. If it is they,
Hmm. Hmm.
we, or I, it becomes keep, like that. So yes,
Yeah,
just
sometimes I make this mistake. Say I have to say you seem to be like that. I say you seems to be. So I make such mistake.
okay, okay. It's great that you're aware of it. Okay, now that you know about it, uh, anytime you start a sentence with you, he or she, na, you can just okay, be mindful of it. Yeah,
Okay.
since you know it already, like for a second or two, you can just be mindful of it, and then you can continue a sentence, and slowly, slowly, you will that will happen very fluently. Okay, very spontaneously, it will start happening. Yeah. Apart from that,
Okay.
I think your language was really great. I couldn't spot any like a major factor that could be a hindrance or
But I
anything.
struggle to format a sentence. I think today.
Not really. If you see the recording of it, maybe it's in your mind, but in reality, no, I don't think so. If you want, you
Okay,
can see,
okay. If
go
you are
through the
telling that,
recording.
it must be okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, you were good. Okay, Subhash, if there's anything else you would want to say, I think we have 20 to 30 seconds more. Is there anything else
Yeah.
you want to ask or
No,
clarify?
nothing else.
Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay. It was great talking to you again, and have a great weekend. Yeah, and take care.
Same here. It was
Thank
nice talking to you. I'll
Yeah.
get back to you again later
Thank you
sometime.
so much. Yeah, I look forward
Okay.
to it. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.